Good people, how's it going? It's your boy Frank with another DIY. Oof, today is very hot. It's been 37 degrees, but we have some issues on the car that we need to address them, so stay tuned. So I'm working on my V9X today. Let me just remove this top cover, and I need to address my boost pipes. They have been leaking, especially on this side. You can probably see down there and also down there it has been dripping, and of course probably I might be facing some boost issues, boost pressure issues. So what I'm going to do now is just to disconnect, and then I will later show you what are the plans. Alright, so this part was the issue. So I think this pipe previously was repaired. As you can see, it's not a one unit, and you can definitely see how it was. You can definitely see those two cuts over there. This pipe was not meant to fit there. So what we are going to do to sort out this issue, let me just show you. So my solution to this would be replace those old hoses which are already bad with those brand new silicone ones, and basically I will be mapping out how everything will come around, and I think we should be able to sort out the issue. So as you guys saw on the time lapse, basically I was cleaning up everything, marking up the pipes and test fits to ensure that everything fits perfectly, and for now everything looks good. So what I'm going to do now is just add the clamps and ensure that everything is tight. So yeah folks, after a little bit back and forth, we managed to actually have the pipe configured. As you guys are seeing over there, we have 190 degrees, and then we have a union in the middle, and then again 90 degrees and another 90 degrees. So in order to us be able to bolt it up right there, and we will be missing the 45 degree over there. Yeah folks, so as you guys are seeing over there, we managed to finish our boost pipe, which is looking incredible.